Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Guardian of Time. First, you'll begin your journey by finding the blue staff in Thias Woods. Interacting with it grants you the basic mage class. Next, head to the Legit shop and acquire a Tier 2 core. Once you have it, simply place it into your active slots and activate it. This will successfully upgrade your mage to its second tier, setting the foundation for your powerful progression. To reach Tier 3, your next quest takes you to the snowy peaks of the mountainy Alps. Here, you'll encounter a formidable bluish snowman boss. Your goal is to defeat this boss as it drops a crucial item, the Blueberry Mana Bush. Once you've secured this item, use it to evolve your mage. This step significantly boosts your magical prowess, bringing you closer to your ultimate goal. Now for a significant leap, becoming the Time Warden. You'll need to be at least level 125 to access the champion boss. This boss is found near the King Slime area. Your task is to repeatedly defeat the champion, collecting mystical urns until a rare time fragment drops. Activating this fragment will unlock the formidable Tier 4 Time Warden class, a powerful caster with unique abilities. Finally, you're ready to evolve into the Guardian of Time, the pinnacle of the mage class. This Tier 5 unit represents the ultimate mastery of temporal magic, granting unparalleled power and control over time itself. While the exact method for this final evolution from Time Warden may involve advanced quests, specific rare drops, or a unique ritual, achieving it will solidify your place as a legendary figure in Critical Legends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.